Today we're going to look at a commonly asked question in Google Classroom, and that is, can I delete a class? And the answer is yes, but you kind of have to know where to go, and so we're going to take a look at that. So here I have, I've just gone into Google Classroom, and I have the thumbnails of all of my classes open. Some of these I'm a teacher, some I'm a student, but I can only delete the ones that I'm a teacher for. If I am a student, let's say I'm a student over here, my choice would be to unenroll. So if you've joined someone else's class and you're done playing and you want to unenroll, that's how you would do it as a student. For a teacher's class, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top three little buttons. A little hard to see on this one, but they're right there. And you'll notice here it does not give you an option to delete. And so sometimes we just stop there and say, well, the archiving is the best I can do. We are going to start with archiving. So I'm going to press that. Ask me if I'm sure, and I'm going to say, yes, please archive. All right, so now I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner and click on the three hot dogs. And here we see all the classes that I'm a teacher of and all the classes down here that I'm a student of. But what I really want to do is go to the bottom and go to archived classes. Now, these are all the classes that I've archived over time. And this is where we'll get to the delete function. So again, here's my test class, the three icons or the three buttons again. And this time, I'm going to choose delete. If I wanted to restore it and use it again, I could, but now I'm going to delete it. It's going to ask me if I'm sure. Here's an important point is that any files that would be with this class. So anytime Google, you make a Google Classroom, there's an automatic folder that goes into a Google Classroom folder in your drive. If you had student work that had been submitted in there, even though you delete the class, in Google Classroom, all the student work still stays in those files. So you're just basically cleaning up your thumbnails here. So now, yes, we're going to delete that. And this yellow thumbnail is going to disappear. And I've permanently deleted that class. So that's how you delete a class in Google Classroom.